In this video today we have Richard's 987 Gen 2. It's not narrated, but it's not like me to turn down a video that someone spent the effort to send in to me. Got to say, respect for taking off the under trays yourself. That's something that I'd like to do myself. I've heard from a few people that they've actually snapped off some clips, or actually when they were removing some screws, some bits kind of like came off and they couldn't put the under trays back on properly, so that's always put me off. So Richard, over to you mate, and thanks for sending in this video.